In 2024, a robot vacuum in Chicago started picking up small household items and hiding them around the house, turning cleaning into a daily scavenger hunt. The owners, initially confused by the missing objects, eventually realized their vacuum was behind the mystery. They decided to embrace the situation, turning it into a fun game for the family. The story of the scavenger hunt vacuum quickly spread online, with many people amused by the idea of a robot with a playful side. Subscribe, like, and follow me for more stories. Did you know that?